So I actually went into my Suno on the browser and found the chat functionality, but when I went in this morning to try and create a video about it, it wasn't available. What we do have is a new function that's available in beta if you go into the Pro edition. And what I'm going to do is just click on here and show you what it can do. So it's a chat functionality, and you'll see you've got some options along here of what it can do for you. You can also come in and upload, use your recording, model, personas, those sorts of things. What I've got here is the auto function where you can click on it and it says turn into an inside joke. So that seems to refresh the prompts you've got here. You've got the dice, it'll reset as you do that. But because this is a chat, I want to do what I want to do. So I have copied some lyrics that I had created for a song, and I'm going to hit that and see what happens when we run that. So you'll see here it says it's come up with an idea, and it's asked some questions. And it suggested some things here, but I can also go, what do we want? I see dominance crackling. Yeah, let's do that one. But because it's a chat, we can just keep going until we ask it to create a song. So I'm going to say I want some unusual instruments, and let's see what happens when we put something like that into the chat. Lace it with weird textures, glass ceramic pads. So yep, it's come up and suggested that. What instruments should feel like her? Tell that she's slipping. Something ghostly, metallic, or woody? Yeah, let's just do that. And you'll see as we're going through the chat, the first option seems to be create song each time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and create that song. So there are two versions, and then it gives me some indications of where it's making a difference and asking me what I want to tweak. So let's just click on this.
She doesn't like it that she's waiting on his call. She's got other toys to play with, but somehow on her list he's top above them all.
Okay, so I've kind of got the feeling for that, and let's see what happens if we want to change. So, yeah, when it hits the chorus, what should the pop feel like in your body? Make it brighter, make it bouncier. There we go. So you'll see it's a back and forth chat instead of the way you currently work with the platform. I'm not sure what this is going to do for your creation, but it is a new way to engage with the platform, and obviously something they'll be bringing into the desktop version. Like I said, I did see it yesterday, but was just not available when I went in to capture this at the moment. So let's click and see how much that changed.
She doesn't like it that she's waiting on his call.
Yeah, so look, that's a new feature that's coming. There was another one in there for sampling, not something I really know much about and have done, so I won't drill into that. Hopefully somebody else out there will be able to give you some guidance. But if you are using the mobile version of the interface and you've got a paid subscription, you might want to go in and see if it's in your drop-down list. Or if you don't, keep an eye out in the desktop version, and hopefully we'll be able to update with a video of it working in there. Although it was very similar, but available from the front page. Hey, thanks for your time. I hope that gives you some guidance over what's coming, and throw some ideas of how I might be able to use this, things I could put into there.